1, 2, 3, come on!
Hey guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel, and for today's video, I will be teaching you on how to draw and color the hair. So for this tutorial, of course, we need a head, a base head. So we got some bald lady here. Her name is Alexa. She is one of my fashion model on some of my illustrations. So when I start off by doing the hair, I start by doing the hairline. Of course, do not forget the side of the hair. I mean, the sides that are near the ear, and then going upwards. So you don't really want to illustrate the hairline too far from the forehead, or I mean, you don't really want to end up having a model with a very big forehead, maybe just the natural one. So I start with making the hairline by using the hairbrush, and then I go ahead and I went ahead and draw the body of the hair. So for this one, I think it's better if we start off with the tutorial on basics when it comes to coloring the hair. So I chose to start with straight hair, and then when I am drawing the hair at the crown area or at the top of the head, it should be a little bit elevated. It should not stick the original skull, since our hair has volumes. As you can see also, well, I can color it directly or make some solid colors, but I'd love to make some small details on the ends of the hair, the thin hair strands, as we do usually see on a normal hair. So it would look more realistic. Then after doing the body, or if we already have the body of the hair, I then go ahead and use pen fade and then fill in the blanks. As you can see, there is a blue line on the center of the face. That tool is called symmetry tool. So whatever you're drawing on the other side will be automatically drawn on the other side. Thank you so much for one of our viewers. This tutorial is requested by Black Snow Min. Thank you so much, Black Snow. And we have some viewers who asked for a step-by-step tutorial of the dresses that I make. So sooner or later we will be doing a step-by-step tutorial on those things. So after filling the blanks of the hair, what I did is create a space on the center of the head, since that will represent as the hair partings.
the rain. I wanna be someone who says there's more than meets the eye. Show off your fantasy, reality, whoa, that's yours, but I'll keep doing.
As you can see, we already turned off the symmetry tool, the blue line in the center, so that I am trying to make it not too symmetrically looking, so it will look more natural as to how two hairs really look like. Then I went ahead and draw some hair strands that will make the other side a little bit different on the other. And then I also made some hair strands or thin hair strands that is out of the shape. I mean, some flyaways.
Capture your body, get your best side, breathe in the world, fake us a smile, walk in the lines, fine, but I hope one day you'll break through. You'll be living your good life, catch a glimpse of the outside, then you see me now, see me now, see now.
In drawing some hair strands, it is important to turn the force fade on. So as you can see, I tried making some comparison on brushes with force fade and without force fade. So that should be applied on coloring the hair and also drawing the hair strands, so that you will be able to come up with that thinner ends. So it will imitate how do hair strands really look like in real life. I then went ahead and create a new layer, pick a lighter color, and then did some strokes. I followed the flow of the hair. After that, I used eraser in soft eraser, and then tried reducing the grayness of the hair so she won't look like an old lady. After that, I picked a lighter color than the first highlight that we did, and then get back to the hairbrush, then create smaller strokes, or I mean shorter strokes than the first strokes that we did on the gray highlights. So if you want to make your illustrations with a shinier hair, then this is what you should do. Pick a lighter color, then do this shorter strokes on the hair to give them some shine. So if you want your illustration to have a shinier hair, then you should pick a lighter hair color, or maybe pick white if you want it to look very shiny. But as for me, I just picked a light gray tone so it would look natural. Then I did some erasures on them so that will look a little more natural, not too harsh, kind of a highlight. So for some finishing touch on the hair, I went ahead and used the hairbrush again, and this time I made them smaller and worked on the baby hair on the hairline.
Life in a world that keeps changing. Think that it's progress you're making. Copy and paste pretty faces all the time. Pictures so perfect we play through. Only cause you set up the angle. Web that you weave got us tangled. Caught in what's before our eyes. Show off your fantasy reality. Whoa, that's yours, but I'll keep doing mine.
So let me show you some other example of the hair shape. So we have here, or we will be doing a telephone wire kind of hair, and let's make it blunt. So just create the hair shape or the base, and then again pick a lighter color and stroke or do some strokes that goes along with the shape of the hair. Do not make a straight highlights going down, since the hair shape is going spiral. So you should follow the shape of the hair for you to be able to emphasize how it should, or how the hair shape should look like. And also again, just repeat the process, create a new layer and then add a lighter color. So I'd also like to show you the wavy kind of hair. So again, start with the base color. We're using red. Let's try making a red hair. So just the same as the first, you should follow how the shape should be, and then put some highlights on those areas that where the light does reflect. Well, on some of our tutorials, we will be trying to make a focus on some hairstyles. So let's just make some step-by-step tutorials on those, but these are just some examples that you should see on how you should make the, or on how you should color the hair. Now we have here a curly hair, domestic kind of curl, and just repeat the steps. I used a thicker brush of the hair, so it would show a lot of hair strands going everywhere. Again, just repeat the process, create a new layer and then pick a lighter color, then apply. I also went ahead and tried making some kind of an afro hair, or the really curly ones. I mean, I think this one is the real telephone kind of hair. So I was thinking of that kind of really small kind of curls, small telephone wire kind of hairs, and that's just repeat the process. So base color, next is lighter color, follow the shape of the hair, and then pick a lighter color again, then do the highlights. So those are just some basics that you should know about how to make the hair. So I hope guys that you enjoyed this video. I hope you learned a lot. I hope you did understand what I kept on talking about here. I'm not an English speaker, a native English speaker. So I just did try my best to speak in English so some of our viewers will understand the things that we're doing here. So thank you so much guys for watching. I hope you liked and enjoyed this video. So don't forget to comment, share and subscribe. Click the notification bell down below. So see you guys on my next video.